sorry. I'm looking at the screen. Hey guys, so I'm back with a new video. I'm going to be posting more often since I got a new phone and the camera quality on it is. So I'm gonna be using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and yeah, let's get started. We're gonna start off with a blank canvas, which is our face, and my eyebrows are done, but I'm gonna do a tutorial on that soon, and that takes a while, so that's for a different video. So first, I'm gonna start off by priming my eyes with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, which is this. Ooh, my freckle. And I'm gonna use my beauty blender. Ew, you guys can see my imperfections. So we are going to pick this shade in yellow, and that is gonna be for our base color, and I'm using the shade brush of EcoTools. Affordable, and I'm just gonna pack that on my eyelid first to get a bright pigment. Once I'm done packing it onto my eyelid, I will end up blending it all out so it could just look blended and not like lines, you know? Okay. Just the process. Now I'm using the blend brush by EcoTool and blend it all out. Okay, so I'm gonna just do the other eye and then we'll continue with the next step. Now we're going to be using this orange shade for the crease. I will be using the shade brush also. And I'm going to grab orange and I'm going to apply that to my crease. I will then be blending it out with the blend brush. Nice sunset look. And yeah, blend it out. You want to make sure it blends out perfectly with the yellow so it won't look as sharp of a color change and it will actually look nice. Sometimes the yellow will fade out, so you just want to apply more to the top because you don't want to miss the yellow. Once your eyelids are done with the orange and yellow shades and they're both blended evenly, you're going to go in with this red shade for the bottom of the lid, and that is gonna be the darkest color. I'm using this and I'm just gonna add that all along the lid. Once this eye is blended out, I'm going into the other eye and the same thing. Applying it all on the eyelid. Don't want to go past the crease because that's where it's gonna blend out. But you do want to pack it on so it can look brighter than all the other colors. So now that our eyes are blended, we are going to add a blue eyeliner to the look, just to add it, give it a little contrast. We are going to use the NYX concealer and form the eyeliner. Once the base is done, you just want to pat it down so it can be even, because we don't want color to stick onto more places than others. Okay, and once that is done, I'm going to use the Define brush. I'm going to use this one and use this shade of blue for the front of the eyeliner. So once that eye is done, you got the little sunset look, but I will go on and do the other eye and let's see how that one turns out. So I'll be back. And I'm back with my eyelashes on. I did that off camera because it would have taken a while. But now to do the foundation and finish the under eye. Starting off with the foundation, I use a Tarte Amazonian Clay in medium honey. And I am just loving how beautiful it makes my skin look. Trust me, it makes it look flawless. And I'm gonna just do a little bit. Little dots go a long way, trust me. We are going to let the beauty blender do its thing, you know. To set this look, because it already looks matte enough. I don't need to use setting powder. I don't gotta bake. I'm gonna use the Mario Badescu. It's almost it's almost out. Don't mind my hands, they're ugly. And I'm gonna just spray that. We're not gonna bake. I'm just gonna put translucent powder, and I'm gonna use the Airspun loose face powder. And with my beauty blender, I'm gonna just grab a little bit and just tap it on. And I'm starting to look more cakey again. So, you know what that means. After I did my foundation, I'm going to then contour, and I'm going to be using the NYX Matte Bronzer as a contour. Oops. And I'm going to just grab a little bit. Once bronzing is done, well, contour, once that's done, I'm going in with the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter in Champagne. Ooh. Using this brush, I'm going to grab the yellow from the first powder we used and put it at the bottom. That hurt. This is the final eye look. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and also click the bell button to get notified when I post another video, and that will be soon because there will be more makeup looks to come. So I'll be seeing you guys soon. Bye.